Hey guys, hope you all are doing well. Today we are gonna create a private folder. You can lock this folder with a password and hide this folder as well. So let's start. Open Notepad and paste the code in it. I will give the link of this code in the description box. So let me explain this code for you. Title. So title is the title of that CMD. This one, are you sure you want to lock the folder? This message will appear when you will open this file. You can answer this by using Y, capital Y or small y for yes, and for no you can use small n or capital N. I will show you the practical of this. So if you give anything else other than y or n, it will give you error invalid choice. And here is the password of the private folder. You can modify this. Yeah, done. So this is the script. I have shown you all the important part of that script. Now save this file. You can give any name to this file, but the extension should be .bat. I'm saving this file on the desktop, so save it and go to desktop, refresh. You can see this bat file. So when we click on it, it will create a private folder on the same location. See, private folder is created successfully. So open this folder. You can see no file is there. Now close this, and now when again we click on this private folder, it will give a message, are you sure you want to lock the folder? So if you want to lock the folder, give Y or capital Y or small y, otherwise give N or small n. So I'm showing you both. So first I will give that N. I don't want to lock this folder. See, folder is not locked yet. Let me open this again, and this time I will give Y. Done. See, folder is locked and is hidden. Now you can't see this folder anywhere. You can't search this folder. So this is the property of the protected folder. See, now if you want to find this folder or open this folder, you have to enter the password. It is asking for the password. So enter the password, and you can see folder is available again and is unlocked. So let's save some files in it. Open this folder. You can see it's again asking for that. It again asking, are you sure you want to lock the folder, because folder is unlocked. See, I have given a incorrect value, I mean other than Y or N, so it's giving the error message. See, I'm giving now incorrect password, so it won't unlock the folder. See, folder is not unlocked. Now let me give the correct password to open the, you see, folder is here. Now let's move some file in it. Move all these. So you can see there are a lot of files in it. So this is how you can move all the files. And now click on script file and lock your folder.